Now, I'm going to stop you there because people who know me know that this is going to be an absolute disaster. I'm not going to cut it in half on camera because I probably will end up losing a finger. Scott's Cookery Masterclass. Now, I'm going to stop you there because people who know me know that this is going to be an absolute disaster. I am renowned for once microwaving absolutely nothing because I forgot to put something into the microwave. But I'm turning over a new leaf. Just look at me like the new Delia, but without hair and like a dress or something. So, number one, we're going to make a croque monsieur. And I'm going to do it in the air fryer. Don't panic. I'm not actually going to make a croque monsieur. Because yesterday, we went to Lidl, or Lidl, however you want to say it. And they come in a pack. So Scott's Cookery Masterclass for today. Your first lesson, get an adult to get some scissors for you.
You want me to do that for you?
No, I said an adult. And there you go, just like that. Not just like that. Oh God.
It's going wrong.
Look, I know this started out as a bit of fun, but that weren't meant to happen. Don't get this on Blue Peter, you know. Right, so now I've got to try and work out how long the equivalent of 12 minutes in an oven is at 12 minutes in an oven, ignore the weight. How long that's going to take in an air fryer. Step 2, grab this stupid little thing that normally just pull off in your hand. Oh, look at that.
Oh, it looks like a Costa one, doesn't it?
It looks like a posh one. Right, ignore the state of the air fryer. We've had this for a few years.
And there's nothing wrong with that air fryer.
It gets used every single day. Take that. That's your air fryer basket. Suddenly realise that you haven't got enough room. I hate this. I start panicking already.
This is why you don't cook.
This is exactly why I don't cook. I, unlike the wife,
Do you know what you need?
I'm going to get a liner.
No, don't use a liner. It won't cook right. They don't go crispy.
Right, you see, this is Scott's Cookery Masterclass and I'm already being interrupted. Right, what do I need?
You need the tongs.
Well, not at the moment I don't. I need to put that in there.
We'll put it in.
Right, stop the video. This is Scott's Cookery Masterclass, not yours. Back off. This is why I don't cook, because someone always interrupts and starts telling me what to do.
You get stressed out, that's why you don't cook.
Right. Whack it in there, on full. Make sure it's switched on. Stick it on for 10 minutes and just wait and see what happens. So I've been advised to come and check it already. I was told give it 5 minutes and have a look. It's been 2. Yeah, that looks exactly the same as when I put it in. Brilliant. Right, leave it another minute or so and then I'll check again. Right, back to check again. Are you ready? Oh, that's looking good. Right, look at that. Now, right, ignore the hair straighteners, they're not mine. Look at these tongs. Are these brilliant or what? Talk about space saver, set of 3, and then you just one-handed YouTubing. It's not clever. Just swing them apart. Do that. And then get the tongs in there and try and get this up in one go. Flip it over. I mean, that's actually how I quite like my bread. I call that warm bread rather than toast. So, back in the air fryer, another few minutes and we'll see what's what. Right, I think it's been long enough. Let's have a look and see what I've done. Okay, maybe another minute. It's alright, I'm not just going to stand here holding my phone filming this for another minute. That would be ridiculous. Okay, we are back in the room. Let's give it one last look. Yeah, I reckon that's good enough. Right. Okay, now I'm going to do the one-handed YouTuber thing. pop that on there. Get the tongs in. Flip it on the plate. Look at that. Wow. Maybe this new series of Scott's Cookery Masterclass might actually be going somewhere. So I'm now going to munch this. I'm not going to cut it in half on camera because I probably will end up losing a finger. I am kind of known as being quite clumsy. And don't worry about those things there. That is not my tea. That is way beyond my capabilities just yet. So I'm going to chop this up and go and eat me dinner. See you next time.